In this video, we're going over example number 2 in lesson 9.2. It's about reflections. Remember, reflection is a flip over a line called the line of reflection. Here, we're going to do the third part of the objective, which is graphing a reflection of a two-dimensional figure. All right, example number 2 says the vertices of a triangle ABC are A is at 1, 3, B is at -2, 4, C is at -1, 1, and then it says graph triangle ABC and A prime, B prime, C prime after its image after a reflection across the x-axis. That's very important, that the reflection, they tell us, is across the x-axis. But the first thing we have to do is actually graph the original triangle ABC. So let me plot these points. A is at 1, 3. So I'm going to go over 1 and up 3. There's A. B is at -2, 4. So let me plot that. -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Label that B. And then C, it says is at -1, 1, -1, 1. All right, let me use my straight edge here to draw my triangle. Okay, now I have my triangle ABC. All right, and then it says we also want to graph A prime, B prime, C prime, which is the image after reflection across the x-axis. Okay, well, we have to figure out where the points are going to be by actually doing the reflection across the x-axis. So let's highlight our line of reflection. This is our line of reflection, is the x-axis they told us. Okay. Now, remember what we talked about, sorry, label this one C. I forgot to label this point C, sorry, in our triangle. So we have point A, B, and C in our triangle. So we wanted to reflect the figure over the x-axis, which means, just like we did before, the line of reflection is the same distance between the original point and the image point. So let's see. Point A, right, of our triangle, point A, is 1, 2, 3 across from, it's 3 units away from the line of reflection, which means A prime has to be directly across 1, 2, 3 away. Here's A prime. Okay, now let's do B. We have to figure out how far away, how many units is B from the line of reflection, and then we have to reflect it that same amount on the other side. So point B is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the line of reflection, which means B prime is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 units away on the other side. And then lastly, we have to do point C is 1 away from the line of reflection, which means it's 1, C prime is 1 away on the other side of the line of reflection. Okay, now we can use our straight edge to draw our triangle. Okay. And here we just graphed the original triangle ABC and its image A prime, B prime, C prime when it had a reflection across the x-axis. Okay, remember, when you reflect an image, the size and the shape do not change from the figure, okay? So line AB in our triangle is the same length as A prime, B prime. Line BC is the same length as B prime, C prime, and line AC, side AC, in our triangle is the same length as A prime, C prime. So the lengths of the sides of the triangle don't change. Okay, it's just being reflected across. All right, so now that we did example number 2, you can try the got it number 2, and then watch the video to make sure you got it correct.